Hey guys, I'm here to make a video about my favorite kind of math puzzles. They're called KenKen puzzles, and they're right here. This is a classic 4x4 KenKen puzzle. It's a lot like a Sudoku in the sense that you use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 on a 4x4, and you have to have each number used only once in each row and each column. So each row is going to have the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 in it. Each column is going to have the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 in it, but you're only going to use them one time each. What makes KenKen puzzles different from Sudoku is the cages. See, this cage right here says that the three numbers in here have to add up to 8. And the four numbers in this cage have to add up to 8. And the three numbers in this cage have to add up to 9. So I'm going to show you real quick how to solve this KenKen puzzle. So I'm looking at this puzzle right here, and I notice right off the bat they give me that this square is the number 1. So I'm just going to put a 1 in there. Now, adds up to give me 5. I'm only using the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how can I add up to get 5? Well, I could do 4 and 1, or I could do 3 and 2. But I've already used up the 1 for that column. So this has to be 3 and 2. Oh, by the way, I missed this. This has a 2. It's a 2 right there. Right? So this has to be a 3 and a 2. And because the 2 has been used up in the bottom row, this is the 2, this is the 3. Now again, because each column in each row only uses the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, this has to be the 4. Here, how do I add up to get 7? Well, 7 is either 4 and 3, and that's it. I can't do 5 and 2. I can't use a 5. I can't do anything else. So this has got to be 4 and 3. Now, I don't know what order they're in, but if that's a 4 and that's a 3 and that's a 2, then the top number has to be a 1, which 4 plus 1 is 5, has to add up to 8. That makes that a 3, which again, because I have to use each number once, makes this a 2. So you're just using the process of elimination. You're thinking about what we know and don't know. So down here, this has to be a 1 and a 4. I don't know what order yet, but I know if that's 1 and 4, that adds up to 5. So to add up to 9, this has to be a 4, which means that down here, this has to be the 4, this has to be the 1, this has to be the 3, and now we're almost done because the only thing left here is, look, that's a 3. This space right here can't be a 2, can't be a 4, can't be a 3, has to be a 1. Makes this a 3, makes this a 4, and makes this a 2. And we completed a 4x4 KenKen puzzle. Now you'll notice if you go down and you start looking at more of these, notice they start bringing in other operations other than just addition and subtraction. They bring in multiplication and division. So this one only has multiplication and division. They get harder. They have all 4 operations. They have addition, multiplication, subtraction, addition, all of them. Then, as you want to get harder, you start making the puzzles bigger. 5x5s, 6x6s, 7x7s, and 8x8s. And then the biggest you're going to see is a 9x9. That's the biggest they go. So you can clearly see how this is challenging and interesting math stuff to do. So today, I'm going to assign you some KenKen puzzles to do. I'm not going to collect them. It's the first Friday. I'm going to give them to you to do. Maybe you're doing some of your own homework, but I'm going to give you an opportunity to do some of these and see what they're like. But have fun with them. I love them. I think they're great to do. All right. See you guys next week.